Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Calendar tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to make your Google Calendar start on Monday. Because if I open my calendar, we will see that it currently always starts on a Sunday, but I want to start the week on Monday. This is actually quite simple. Once I have opened my Google Calendar, I click on the cogwheel at the top right and go to the settings. Here I switch to the view options and get a drop-down menu where we can set the day for the start of the week. The choices are Saturday, Sunday and Monday. I now set the whole thing to a Monday, and the setting is also saved directly. If I now go back to my calendar, we can see that the start of the week is now Monday. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.